Hello boys, welcome to another online class of English version plus 7. Today we are doing agriculture. Up to today we have done up to lesson 9 of chapter 5. Last class you have clear about climbing fish disease management. Today we will start poultry rearing. I will give you lesson 10 and 11. So let us start today's lesson. First of all, let us know about rearing process of poultry. Poultry rearing is very much popular in rural areas. Many of the housewives in villages do this without giving extra time and extra feed to the poultries. So without giving any extra effort, they are getting the benefits of having eggs and meats. So they find it very effective. Now in urban areas also it is increasing for being interested. In poultry rearing, there are 3 processes following in our country. They are: number 1, free or open process. It is very easy and popular process for rearing small number of chickens. That means if we want to rear only 5 to 10 chickens, then it is better. In this process, poultry are rearing fully free or open state. This process is followed in rural areas of Bangladesh by the housewives. In this process, chickens are roaming around the homesteads whole day to collect their own foods, and at night go to the shelter. That means all day they are free and they can move anywhere they want, but after the evening, after the afternoon, they come back to the house. Actually their food is not specific thing. Leftover food items of home are all given to them. So expenditure in this process is meager because it does not require any food and labor cost. But this process for commercial basis is not good at all. Only rearing local chickens in this process is good. The second process is half confined process. That means it is half open and half confined. In this process there is specific pen for the chickens. A wide area is around the pen is surrounded by the wall or fence is known as run. That means the pen is confined and the open space surrounded by the fence and wall is open. So that is why it is called half confined. Pen is confined and run is open. Throughout the day, chickens roam about the area, and at night they go inside the pen. During rain and storm, chickens stay inside the pen, and for that time they have for all the time they have to supply food. Since they are confined in a specific region, so they are not getting adequate food and water. So food and water should be supplied to them, which increased their rearing cost. In open process, the poultry are not getting extra food, but they have to collect their own food. But here food and water should be supplied to the chickens. That is why the cost producing in this process, the cost is getting higher. In half confined process, high quality chicken breed variety of Fawmi, Australorp or Rhode Island Red are better to rear. So this chicken breed or varieties of chickens are doing good or produce good amount of meat and eggs in half confined process. Now let us know about the third process, that is confined process. In this process, poultry are rearing fully confined state. Pen building in this process is suitable for whole raising. This is called chicken farm or poultry farm. Generally in this process, chickens are rearing on the floor of pen. Many people raising chickens in cages also. When the floor of pen is damp, then the poultry are kept in bamboo made platform. In commercial basis, this process is very popular and standard. Food and water are to be supplied to the chickens in this process. So this increases the production cost of poultry rearing, and as this is very commercial process, so we can rear many chickens at a time in a small region, so this gives us much profit than other process. Hybrid layer broiler and a layer hybrid are suitable to rear in this process. So that's what the process how to rearing poultry. Now let us know about let us look about some pictures of poultry rearing. This is open or free process. They are quite open during the daytime. This is half confined. You can easily see there is a area bounded, and here it is confined process. You can easily see poultry or chickens are rearing on the floor. So these are the processes. Now let us know about poultry feed and water system. Poultry feed management is important for rearing process. In open process, chickens are live on waste, fallen crops, food items, insects, vegetables, etc. As a result, they do not get adequate amount of food and water because they have to collect their own food, and if they don't get sufficient food for the day, they have to starve for the day. So they're not having every day adequate amount of food and water. But to get desired amount of eggs and amount of chicken meat, balanced food should be supplied. Basically, 70% cost of poultry rearing is dependent on food and water management. Now let us know how we can, what type of food items actually need for poultry rearing. Here in the left side column it is nutrients, and in the right side column the food ingredients which contains the nutrients. Carbohydrate, it is contained in wheat, maize, rice grain, wheat bran. Protein, contained in dried fish powder, soybean meal, sesame oil cake, mustard oil cake. Fat is available on soybean oil, mustard oil, sesame oil. Mineral can be available on common salt, bone powder, oyster snail powder, vitamin mineral mix. Vitamin we can get from vegetable and vitamin mix. And water should be collected from tube well or well, which is pure and germ free. Now let us know about how the ration should be given. 3 types of commercial poultry feed is available on the market. There are broiler grower ration, layered chicken ration, finisher ration. Ration bought from market should be given to the chickens by their age and purpose. That means for which purpose we are rearing the poultry. If it is egg, then and if the type of poultry is different, then feeding system should be, ration should be also different. Now let us know how the ration is prepared. A balanced poultry ration is prepared by granular food ingredients, about 45 to 50% wheat and maize, 15 to 20% wheat and rice grain, 10 to 15% soybean meal and sesame oil cake, 6 to 10% dried fish powder, 2 to 6% bone powder or oyster snail powder are used to prepare poultry ration. Besides this, common salt and vitamin mix are also added with the ration. Now let us see a chart of making 100% of poultry ration. On left hand side column it is food ingredients, and right hand side column the amount of or percentage of ingredients. Wheat and maize grain should be 47%, rice and wheat grain should be 16%, soybean meal should be 10%, sesame oil cake should be 10%, dried fish powder should be 10%, oyster snail powder should be 6%, vitamin mineral mix should be 0.5%, and common source should be 0.5%. So altogether it is 100% of poultry ration. Now let us know about how much amount of ration or water should be given. Each chick consumes 10 to 15 gram food daily. That means when it is a small chicken, then it needs 10 to 15 gram food daily. But when it becomes adult, like foal, it needs 100 to 120 gram food and 200 milliliter of germ-free pure water. We also should be careful about that. Feed pot and water pot must be cleaned every day before using it. So that is all about poultry rearing and their food and water management system. I think you will realize it very well. If there is any problem, you can ask question on the comment section. On the next lecture, we will prepare poultry disease management. So I think that should be also beneficiary for you. So boys, keep study as the teachers are giving you online classes. These are very important for you. Okay boys, so bye for today.